Welcome, little scientists! Let's begin our adventure! I'm your science friend, here to explore the world with you! Open wide, the book of fun. Science shines for everyone. Round and round the earth does go, bringing sunlight's lovely glow. Science is play, let's watch today. Discovering wonders in every way. Clap your hands, tap your feet. Learning science is so sweet. Jump up high, then down you fall. Gravity works for one and all. Stories of science, bright and true. Magic of learning just for you. Dance along, sing the song. Science fun is never wrong. Let's remember what we've seen. Science makes the world so keen. Thanks for joining, friends so bright. Science makes the world delight. For more science fun and discoveries new, hit subscribe to join our crew. Thanks for learning with Bright Minds, where fun always meets learning. See you next time!